going to show you how you can change the font on your website pages. I am showing you on a class page today, but it does work the exact same way throughout SchoolSpider. So once you've logged into SchoolSpider, go to the page that you want to edit and you'll see that you've got this content box here. Now there is quite a few icons that I'm sure you are familiar with. You've got your bold here, your italics, your underline. You'll also see that you've got the icons here to change the font and also to change the size. These icons here allow you to change the colour, so you can use this drop down to change the colour of the font, and you can use this drop down here to highlight particular fonts. Now what I would recommend is that you do not change the size or the font. Main reason being is that your website will have a standard font and a standard colour and a standard size. If you start changing this, then it is going to make the website different throughout the different pages. However, if you do want to make certain areas bolder, there is an option to use which I'm going to show you now. So you just highlight the text that you want to make bolder, and then you're going to use this drop down here. So when you drop this down, you see there's a few different types of headings that you can use. Now I'm just going to show you a couple. If I just click on heading 1 here, scroll down, and I'll just change this one to heading 2. Now these are all going to be in line with your website design, which means that you're not going to have the problem with having different fonts, different sizes, different colours throughout all of your website. Once you've made the changes to the font you want to highlight, you're just going to save at the bottom here. And now I've refreshed that reception page. You can see that this is the heading 1 that we've got there, and you've got this is the heading 2. As you can imagine, as you go further down, if you go to heading 3, heading 4, they're just going to go small, they're still going to go bold. So have a little play around, see which one's going to work best.